Today we're doing an experiment. My name is Anika and this is my brother Urjun. We're doing an experiment. We need these bottles. I got 4 of them to do the experiment. And we need soap. His name is Bardic Soap. He's just joking. And so, do you want to get started? Yes! Okay, let's get started. First, we need a bottle
Full of water.
Yeah, so we're gonna open the cap and pour some water.
That's enough. And put some Bardic
Look
soap.
at this. Oh wait, 1 minute. We need this much. You can fill if you want so much, then you can fill the whole bottle. No, we don't need this cap, so we need soap. Soap. Let's pour just 2 bits. 1.
Hey, that's not coming.
It's okay. See, we need this cap.
And shake it.
You need this cap and turn this tightly and do it. Shake it. Right? Did you shake it so much? It needs to come in at the top of your bottle. This much I get. You can pause the video if you want to shake it. Next,
You need some water. You have to put that in.
okay, it's nothing. I'll show you the sink. Did you see? Next, the fun part. Wow, I'll show you the fun part.
It's gonna explode.
Do you want to see more experiments? Just comment below. If you want to see more experiments, comment below. I was just saying something to him. Yeah. The fun part is...
We can do another one.
Okay, I'll show you clearly as possible. First, you hold this, then fill the water. I'll fill this much. Now, this much soap. Then, shake it so much. Then, the fun parts again.
I want to do it. Hold it.
Now my brother's gonna show you how to do it. For like my brother created this. This is my brother's idea. My brother's gonna do more. He is awesome. Okay, brother.
Awesome guy.
Okay. Wow, look at that.
Oh,
Now soap.
I know.
Here we go.
3 cups of soap.
He's pouring 3 scoops.
And next,
Let's
shake
shake it.
Oh, there's the cap.
Okay.
Where's the cap?
Okay, I'll do that.
I found the cap.
Okay. There. And
It's
shake it. Next, the fun part. Awesome! You can cheer it anywhere you want. It's so awesome. Right? Hey.
Oh,
My brother's gonna show you on one more. One more. Brother, do you want to show?
First, take the cap out and put some water.
Okay, fine. Next, put some soap. Back.
Huh? Only one scoop.
It's okay, brother. Now mix it. Jen's gonna mix a very hot soup. Wow. It's a lot. Now for the fun part. Oh, it's so cool. Yeah, you can try it in home. So to make this fun experiment. You know something? My name is Anika and my brother's name is Arjun.
No, it's man.
Nah, it's okay. Stop it. Yeah, his name is Arjun. And you can don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and like our videos. Anika
And don't share it to Ryan videos, okay?
It's okay. Stop. It's okay. He's just naughty. And don't forget to like our videos. Bye. Did you have fun, guys?
Yeah.
Bye.